Hey guys, what's up? It's Jasmine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a little mini lookbook for you guys. I paired up with Windsor for this video, so I'm excited to be giving you guys a little bit of inspiration with some affordable pieces from their website. I'll have everything linked down below in the description that is shoppable and still available, so make sure to check that out when the video is done. And just to kind of start off the video with an outfit, I have this one on, which is from Windsor as well. It is a cloth biker jacket. White. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to be styling this for the fall and winter times. And then this really pretty blue, electric blue, my favorite, ribbed bodycon dress, which I think is absolutely so cute. I can't wait to bring it with me to the beach, and I'm gonna quit rambling so you guys can get into the lookbook.
Written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies and coming down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cool running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up, we're going under, and there's nothing we can.
See how this looks. Look at the video on it. Alright, come over here. Let's go to this one. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me get the Coke thing. Walk along the thing to the left. There we go. Keep walking that way.